I love the library. My name is Brenda Labine, and I'm one of the librarians here at the Detroit Lakes Public Library. Well, it is January, and I guess winter is here to stay, so we have to make the best of it. If you like cold outdoor activities, make sure you stop by the Detroit Lakes Library and get a state park pass so you can go cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, or whatever you like at the state parks all around Minnesota for free. Also, we have our Book Blizzard Winter Reading Challenge for Adults, started January 2nd and goes through February 28th. Just stop in the library, pick up your card, read 4 books, and once you read 4 books or listen to 4 audiobooks, stop back in, turn in your card. You will get one of these cute little animal stickers, and you get to put your card in for a chance to win one of our Book Blizzard mugs. You can do that as many times as you want until February 28th. And we also have, if you scan our QR code, there is reading suggestions in all the different categories. We have genres that include cozy mysteries, thrillers, science fiction, historicals, biographies, classicals, self-help, romances, adapted to film, and regional authors. So stop by and participate in the Adult Book Blizzard Reading Challenge. So you can read books in our collection, and you can also check out our ebooks and e-audiobooks on the Libby app. Also, please feel free to check out our glass display where our librarians have snow-themed book suggestions, and there looks to be quite a few fun titles in there, so check them out. Thank you and have a nice day.